Sing the Mickey song.
Sing it.
Mickey Mouse. Okay, do it again. What other song do you know? Sing me another song.
Itsy Bitsy Spider.
Go ahead.
Sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider song.
She's nervous. Yeah, she's nervous. No, I'm not nervous.
Well, then sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider song.
Sing it. Wash the spider out.
Because the fire and the water.
Okay, now sing No More Monkeys. No more. There's 5 little monkeys.
Go ahead. You sing. Tell Mommy be quiet.
You want to see the monster? Come on, he's good, ain't he? No more monkeys on this bed. Mommy told it that said. No more monkeys on this bed.
Very good.
I played real air hockey before on my birthday.
What's your name?
What's her name?
Hey, little girl. What's your name? Ivory what?
Maybe both.
How old
Where-
are you?
2.
Where's your daddy?
At Danger.
What's he doing?
By her boy.
Fighting her war?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
What else can you tell me?
Okay, my turn. Huh?
Say love you, Daddy.
Huh?
Say love you, Daddy.
I love you too, Daddy. Oh, wait, I didn't do that in time.
Is Aunt Jenny mean?
No.
Do you, do you love Aunt Jenny?
No.
No.
Is she,
You're mean. Hey, you can't. I shared with you.
I'm mean?
Yeah.
You're a maniac.
You're mean. You're not sharing at all.
do you like Aunt Jenny?
No.
No.
You're mean.
What'd she do to you?
She hit me.
She hit you?